are back in No Limit Drag Racing 2. We have some more cars since last time we checked up, and I actually sold this car and rebought it, and now for some reason it's starting to run a faster time than it had been. But the new additions, we have a twin turbo 57 Bel Air. Well, not really 57, but that's what I'm considering it. I don't really care. And then over here we have a 69 Camaro, also running twin turbo big block. Then we have my sponsor car, which is running a Stage 4 nitrous system with a big block, running 6.2s. And then we have my blown Corvette, which is running somewhere in the neighborhood of 6.2s and 6.1s. Now, we're going to take all these out to an online race, straight up races, heads up, go back to turbo. We're going to do $500 a race, just to see what happens. Now, I know some of these cars are not exactly built the best, so they're not exactly going to run. That's why I'm keeping the bet down at 500. And I know there's a whole lot more people with better builds than what I've got. A lot like this guy, I can already tell. I'm just going to turn that down some. Go. And let's just check the replay because I accidentally double shifted off the line. I just want to see how much I actually got involved. Wow. Okay, so anyway, there's one race in the bag. I was actually not expecting to win that one. Usually that car does not win races. I don't really take it out much. I'm usually running my blower and my nitrous most. So next we're going to move over here to the Camaro. I think today we're just going to show a few drag races in each car. Host, same thing. Now this one, the tune is supposed to be a little bit better than the, well actually, this one and the Bel Air are running the same tune, but for some reason it worked better on this car. Same everything, same upgrades. If y'all can explain it to me, go right ahead. But it's running the same gear ratio. They're both running, actually I don't think this one's running a perfect tune. And no, I don't buy my perfect tunes, I tune them myself, so. Now I've gotten used to my other cars, my two cars, so I'm used to having to shift quickly off the line. So this car is, yeah, see? Now it's on to the nitrous engine. Which, as you can tell, those cars are running 6.7s. That's pretty quick, but not fast enough. Which means I've still got some tuning to do to those when I've got time. Which, as you can tell, I haven't really posted recently, so I haven't had time for much of anything recently. Host. This time we are going up to nitrous. I think we'll risk 1,000 this time. Because this car is pretty fast, but don't want to risk it all yet. Now just waiting on an opponent. And looks like we got one. Yep, there we go. Mustang. Okay. See how this goes. Now, I don't know where y'all prefer your nitrous PSI, but I usually drop mine down pretty low and let it build itself back up. I usually want it somewhere around 105. Three, 2, 1, launch. Yeah, there was no way of me catching him. But still, a 6.27, that's not that bad, actually. Yeah, I'm not doing that again because I obviously know his car is faster than mine. I'm not doing that. Now it's on to the last car I own currently, which I'm planning to build more. Y'all give me an idea, I'll test it out, see what I can pull off with it. I hate advertisements. Anyway, last car we own, probably the fastest car I own as well. I think we'll risk 2 this time, and then we'll build our money back up later. Let's see if there's anyone that will risk 2,000 on a blunt. Yeah, we have a Camaro. A Camaro versus a Corvette. Pretty decent matchup here. Let's see how this goes. He's doing a rolling burnout. I absolutely love how much detail they have actually put in this game. 3, 2, 1, launch. See, some of my cars are fast shift, some of them are slow shift. But I still ran a 6.1. Sure, I'll re-race it one more time just to give some viewer content here. Maybe he'll take it a little bit easier on me, seeing how I ran a 6.1, but 6.13 is actually the fastest I've seen this car. The last speed I've seen it run was a 6.17, so I actually upped it by about 0.4 just by how I shift, so, or about 0.04, that's what I meant to say. 3, 2, 1, launch now. Now see, it's all about your shifting. If you don't shift it right, you don't get as much out of it. Now, I'm not racing him again because I would use all my money, but let's see, that's a 8-minute long recording. That's not bad. That's not bad for getting back to the channel, getting everything started back up. But rate the cars and see which one you, and let me know which one you like best. We have the Killer Vet. We have the sponsor car. We have the 69 Camaro. And then we have the 57 Bel Air. Let me know down in the comments if they're working, which one y'all like best, and I'll try to make it better and see what happens. And possibly drop a car idea down in the comment section. Please don't pick one I've already got. And I'll see what I can pull off with it. Get it tuned up and show it in a video, or show the video of me getting it tuned, or racing it while I'm tuning, just to show progress on it. And probably do like a collage of it, just to add all the videos together. Then post them. Or I don't know how I'll do that, but y'all let me know what you want to see. Come on. And then we have the moderns. I prefer not to run moderns, but if that's something y'all want to see, just let me know. But anyway, that's going to be the end of the video for today, guys. And I will see y'all in the next one.